Hello there, aspiring gardeners and homeowners. Are you ready to add vibrant splashes of color and joy to your outdoor spaces? Starting a garden might seem a little daunting at first, but with the right choices, it's an incredibly rewarding journey. We believe everyone deserves the beauty of a flourishing garden, regardless of experience. That's why we're here to guide you. Today, we're sharing our top 5 must-have flowers that are incredibly forgiving and perfect for beginners. First up, let's talk about marigolds. These bright, cheerful flowers are a fantastic choice for any new gardener. They come in sunny yellows, fiery oranges, and rich reds, instantly brightening up your garden beds and containers. Marigolds are incredibly resilient and thrive in full sun with minimal fuss. They're also known to deter common garden pests, making them a helpful companion plant. Just plant them in well-drained soil, water regularly, and enjoy their continuous blooms all season long. Next on our list are zinnias, true champions of easy gardening. These beautiful flowers boast a wide array of shapes and colors, from dainty singles to lush doubles. They are super easy to grow directly from seed, which is a big win for beginners. Zinnias love the sun and well-drained soil. The more you cut them for bouquets, the more they produce, giving you endless blooms for your home. They also attract butterflies and bees, bringing life and movement to your garden. Third, we have cosmos, the epitome of delicate beauty and easy growth. Their airy, daisy-like flowers sway gracefully in the breeze, creating a whimsical feel. They are perfect for adding a soft, natural touch to your garden. Cosmos are remarkably low maintenance and perform best in full sun. They prefer average soil and don't require much extra fertilization. Plant them from seed or young plants and watch them burst into abundant bloom through summer and fall. Who doesn't love the majestic sunflower? These iconic giants are surprisingly easy to grow and make a dramatic statement in any garden. Watching them reach for the sun is a truly inspiring experience. Sunflowers need plenty of sun and prefer well-drained, fertile soil. Plant large seeds directly into the ground after the last frost. They'll reward you with towering stalks and massive, cheerful blooms that even birds will appreciate later in the season. Finally, we come to petunias, a classic favorite for a reason. These versatile flowers offer an incredible range of colors and forms, from spreading ground covers to upright varieties. They are perfect for hanging baskets, containers, and garden beds alike. Petunias require full sun and consistent watering, especially during hot spells. Deadheading spent blooms will encourage even more flowers throughout their long blooming season. With minimal effort, you'll have a cascade of color from spring until fall. There you have it, 5 fantastic flower choices to kickstart your home gardening adventure. Each of these beauties offers low maintenance and high reward, perfect for building your confidence and skill. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and experiment. Gardening is about patience, observation, and enjoying the process. Pick 1 or 2 of these easy flowers to start with, and watch your outdoor space transform. You truly can create a beautiful, vibrant garden, one lovely bloom at a time. Happy planting!